Hello, welcome visitors. It's nice to meet you again. On this occasion, I'm going to create a program to turn on a light at 18:15 every day. Selamat berjumpa kembali para pengunjung sekalian. Pada kesempatan ini saya akan buat sebuah program menghidupkan sebuah lampu pada pukul 18.15 setiap harinya. First of all, I must open an application of PLC Omron. Pertama sekali saya harus buka sebuah aplikasi dari program PLC. It's CX Programmer. I double click here. Ini adalah check programmer. Next, I click file, click new. I write down here RTC time. Then I choose device type CP1L. Then network type USB. Okay. Now I'm going to create an instruction. Sekarang saya membuat sebuah instruksi. I click here and hold it here. Saya taruh di sini, and then write down all the codes we need. This is the formula for PLC instruction. I must use greater than or equal DT hashtag CTX A351 B100. Okay. Greater than or equal DT space hashtag CTX. Space A351 A351 space memory B100 B100. Okay. Comment hour, minute, second. Okay. Comment hour, minute, second. Jadi keterangannya jam, menit, detik. Klik OK. Now this is the display of the instruction. Inilah tampilan daripada instruksi yang kita maksud. Then I click and horizon timeline. Then I put it here, then connect to the right side. Then I get a new coil. Actually, I put it here, and then I put the cords in it. The channel number from PLC Omron 100 point. The output number 00. Jadi 100 adalah nomor channel dari PLC Omron, 00 adalah nomor output pertama dari PLC Omron. Klik OK. Command here lamp. Jadi namanya ini adalah lampu, ini berfungsi sebagai lampu. Next, filling the value of D100. Kemudian mengisi nilai daripada D100. Double klik memory. Double klik D. Itu harus klik for online simulators. Click here and put the number 100, enter. Now I got D100, the same like this. Jadi sekarang saya dapat alamat D100 nya sama dengan di sini. Next, klik monitor, klik monitor. Now fill the value here. $15.00. Click set value. $15.00. Yeah, okay. Then 0018. Click here. Set value 0018. Okay. $15.00. 15 means minute. 00 means second. So no second here. Jadi 15 artinya menit yang digunakan. Detiknya 0 artinya tidak ada detiknya dibuat. Next, 0018. 00 means dates. So no date here. 18 means hour. At 18 in the afternoon. Jadi 00 ini artinya tanggal, berarti sini tidak ada tanggal. 15 artinya pukul 18 sore. 15:00. 15 means the 15th minute. 00 means no seconds is used. 00:18. 00 means no date is used. 18 means hour. At 18 or at 6 p.m. 00 artinya tidak ada digunakan tanggal, dan 18 artinya pukul 18 atau pukul 6 sore. Now click save. Click OK. Okay, I minimize this PLC memory. I minimize this one. Now I'm going to simulate the program. I click PLC clock. I put it here. Sekarang saya mensimulasikan program ini. I click option, set PLC clock. Saya klik option, saya klik set PLC clock. Now I change the time. Sekarang saya akan merubah waktu. The lamp has been turning on because the time is 23:19:29. Because the setting time here 18:15. Of course the lamp has been turning on. Jadi waktu sudah menunjukkan pukul 23:19:29 detik. Sedangkan waktu setting di sini adalah pukul 18:15. Tentu saja lampu sudah hidup. Then I want to change the time. (16, 19, 29). The setting time 18:15. Now let's watch again. If I click OK, the lamp must be off. Now let's try. Yeah, okay, it's right. Jadi kalau saya klik tadi OK, maka lampu akan mati karena setting waktunya tadi adalah pukul 16:16. Sedangkan waktu setting di program adalah 18:15. Next, I want to change the time and the dates. I click set option, click set PLC clock. I change the dates. 30th of April 2020. The time is 18:15. 18:15. Sekarang saya rubah waktunya dan tanggal 30 April 2020. Jamnya jam 18:15. The same as the setting time here, 18:15. 18:15. So if I click OK, the lamp will turn on. Jadi Kalau saya klik OK, karena waktu di sini sama dengan waktu setting tadi, maka lampu akan hidup. So we try again. Klik OK. Now it's right. The lamp is on now. Okay, I want to close this program. I close the PLC clock. Then I click online simulator. Then save the project. Turn on lamp at 18:15. Turn on alarm at 18:15. Now I click exit. Yes. Then I will try to open the program again. I click CX Programmers. The file, click open. Here it is, the program. Click and open. I will simulate the program again. I click for online simulator. And click PLC clock, then click here. So you can see the time 23:35 minutes 47 seconds. The lamp is on. Now I want to change the time. I click option, set PLC clock. Want to change the time. Now 17:36 minutes 4 seconds. I click OK. The lamp is still on. So this program does not work anymore because the data doesn't work. So the data must be backed up with more instructions. So I have to make the move instructions. Okay, I close this one. Then I click work online simulator. Then I begin to make the move instructions. I get a new normally context here, and then I put it here. Then I choose the kind of the context. I choose P on. Click OK. And then I get horizontal line. I put it here and connect to the right side. Then I get a new PLC instruction. I click here and then put it here, and then I put the address here, move hashtag, and then the value of D100 1500, and then space, then D100. I click OK. I want to minimize the display. Okay, and then I get a vertical line. I put it here, and then I get a horizontal line. I put it here, and then connect to the right side. Then I get a new PLC interaction. Click here and I put it here, and then I write down the address. The address is move space hashtag 0018, and then space D101, then click OK. Comment hour, minute, second, click OK. Okay, I want to minimize the display. Click view, click zoom out. Okay everyone, that the first move instruction will transfer the value 1500 to D100, and the second move instruction will transfer the value 0018 to D101. Now let's try this program again. I click for online simulator. And click PLC clock, double click here, now we can see the time is 23:55 minutes 03 seconds. So we can see that the lamp is on. Now I try to change the time. I click option, click set PLC clock. Now I change the time to 56 minutes 28 seconds. The time I just set here is under the time setting. Okay, let's see. I click OK. Yeah, it's true, the lamp is off now. Now I try again to change the time. I click option, click set PLC clock. Now I set the time to 18 and then 15 minutes and then 0 second. Now you can see that the time setting is 18:15. 18:15 is the same as the time setting in the memory. So if I click OK, the lamp will be on. Okay, I click. Yeah. Yes, the lamp is on now. Okay, I want to close the program. I click here and then I click online simulator to off the program and I click exit. Now I try to open the program again. Double click C8 programmer, click file, turn on the lamp at 18. This is the program. I click here. Now I click for online simulator. Double click PLC clock. So you can see the time is 0:02 minutes. So the time is under the time setting in the memory. Time setting in the memory is 18:15. That is why the lamp is off. So I want to turn on the lamp. I click option, click set PLC clock. I change the time, become 18. 15 minutes, 00 second. Now I click OK. Because of the time setting is 18:15, the same as the time setting in the memory, of course the lamp will be on again. Okay, you try, click OK. Yeah, it's right, the lamp is on now. Okay everyone, you can see that instruction that I have made. Move instruction is used to transfer the value 1500 to B100 in the memory, and and transfer the value 0018 to D101 in the memory. So both of the move instruction back up the data in the memory so that the program can work again. This all what I can explain to you, how to make a program to turn on a lamp at 1815. And how to make move instruction to back up the data in the memory. May this video could be useful to whom it concerns, and see you later again.